Hey guys, what's up? So I hope you are doing good, and in today's video let's learn how to make a Discord bot very easily. And there is no actual coding also required for this, so it's going to be super simple. For making a bot, first of all, it's very important to know what all the packages or libraries that we are using to make the bot. So for this, for today's bot, we'll just use application known as Scratch for Discord. To open it, just head to some browser that you have. Here I'm using Brave, as you can see. So just type in Scratch for Discord, and then the first thing you find should be this, the Scratch for Discord. Make your own bot using blocks, alright? And just open it. So the Scratch for Discord is available online, and there is also an app for this. You can download it and then do it. But for now, let's use online. Actually, we need a JavaScript. We have to write a JavaScript file in order to run our bot to make Discord bots. But the Scratch for Discord, in Scratch for Discord, we can use blocks and make the code, and then it converts it into JavaScript file, and then we can execute it in order to run our bot. Cool, right? Okay, so Scratch for Discord also has some inbuilt programs that are already there. So in today's video, we'll be using that, and let's just run our bot. Okay, head to the example section right here, and let's use the ping pong command now. Just click on yes. So it will keep the code over here, the blocks over here. It's very simple, as you can see. So first we have seen that it's connect to Discord with token. So in here we have to put the bot token. So we'll get the bot token when we create our bot in the Discord developer applications, alright? And then when a message is received, so when the bot receives any message, if the message is equal to, if the message contains exclamation mark pin, then it replies with pong with exclamation mark. It replies only and only when it is exclamation mark ping. It doesn't reply to anything else, as we have put is equal to in the middle. Okay, so let's make our Discord bot also in the applications. For that, just open a new tab and just type in discord.com/developers. Alright, and then click on enter. And by the way, you should be already logged in into your Discord account, then only this will work. And just click on the new application over here, and I'm gonna name my bot as chatbot. Okay, and just click on the create button over here. Yeah, so our bot is created. And then go to this bot section and build a bot. Under the build a bot, click on add bot. Just click on yes, do it. Alright, so our bot is created, as you can see. Okay, so the username also, let's put it as chatbot and save the changes. Alright, so in here we get the token of this bot. Let's just copy the token of this bot, as you can see here, copy. And remember, token is something which is very important. It's like the password for your bot. If anyone knows your token, then they can misuse your bot or they can do anything with your bot. So make sure your token is really safe, alright? And then head to the Scratch for Discord, and we have to put our token here, right? Just paste it over here. And yeah, we have put our token here. And then we'll also add it to some of the server to look at it is working or not, alright? So for adding our Discord bot into our Discord server, just head out to OAuth 2, as you can see here, to this section, and go down and go to scopes and click on bot. And then in bot permissions, just give it administrator for now, or no need of administrator too. You can just click on send messages. That is enough. Okay, so here we got a link for the bot. Just copy it and open a new tab, and I'm gonna paste it here. So I've already made a test server for my bot named as test server itself. So let's see, do we have it here? Test server. Yeah, we have a test server here. Continue. Just click on continue and just click on authorize. And yeah. So yeah, it has been added. Alright. So let's just check in Discord. So I'm opening my Discord right now. Okay, so I've opened it. Let's see if it's there in our server. Okay, click on the open Discord here. I'm just opening my Discord. Yeah, this is my test server. Yeah, as you can see, the chat bot has joined our server, alright? But it's offline. As you can see, it's offline. And let's see how to get it online. We'll get it online very soon, alright? So now let's go back to our Scratch for Discord. And this is the name of the file actually. It's written untitled document. So I'm gonna name it as test demo, alright? And this is the download button. Just click on the download button and download. So what will this actually do is that it will download it into our computer, and I'm gonna keep it on my desktop. Okay, save, alright. So it will be downloaded in a zip file on our desktop in our computer. Okay, I'm gonna head up to the Discord. Okay, desktop. Okay, it came. The demo file is already there here, alright, as you can see. So just right click it and open with, click on the open with and Windows Explorer, right? Open. Okay, so I'm gonna extract all the files. Extract. Yeah, they got extracted. So as you can see, we have the REPL IT blocks, bot, and package file inside this zip folder actually. Yeah, we have got the demo folder as you can see here. Alright, now let's go back to our browser and just open a new tab, and now we have to go to a new application known as repl.it. Alright, and just click on enter. And many of you might already be knowing about repl.it. So yeah, it opens up like this, and I'm gonna just log in now. So if you haven't already had an account in repl.it, you could actually sign up there. So I already have an account. So I came here and I logged in. Alright. So here, after logging into the repl.it, just click on the new repl as you can see here. And for this, we are going to use a node.js. Alright. And then we should name the file. I'm going to keep it as chatbot. And we should have paid version of repl.it to keep our file private, but this account doesn't have payment, so many of you might not be having this too. So let's just keep public, and I'm going to say how to keep the token hidden, because as I've said you before, token is just like the password. Anyone can do anything to your bot with the help of that token. Alright, and just click on the create repl. So yeah, our REPL is being created now. Alright, it's ready. So as we have the folder downloaded in our PC or computer, we are going to just upload it here. So click on the three dots as you can see here and click on the upload folder button, and then go to this copy. We have it on desktop, and we have the demo, and click on upload. Alright. Yeah, got uploaded. We have these inside our demo folder. So in here we have to actually drag out the package.json file. We have to keep it separately. You can just do it by dragging it down below, and it came to the package file. We can just drag and drop it. It just comes down. Alright. And we should also remove the .replet file. Just keep it below the pod.js. Right? Yeah, it got separated. Okay. And the next thing that we have to do is pick up the bot.js file and put it on top. Alright. And then remove this index.js file. I'm gonna delete it. Alright. So yeah, this is all set up now. The next thing that we have to do is to just run. Right. It will install all the packages that it requires, and it is actually using a software known as JavaScript. And in that JavaScript, we can use pretty many packages. That's very cool. Alright. And for this video, we are going to use a package called Discord.js, and it's already being built in there. And we're also using db.json. So yeah, it's all set up now, and the program is also run, and it's successful. And we have to go to our Discord server right there, and as you can see, it's online now. The chatbot is online, and now if we type the ping command, the pong command should actually work. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna type !ping. Alright, okay, yeah. So yeah, as you can see, the chatbot replied with Pong with exclamation mark. That's what we gave in this program right here, that if we press exclamation mark ping, it should reply with Pong with exclamation mark. So yeah, it's working. Okay, next we have to do some more things. By the way, congratulations, you have perfectly made your first Discord bot. So as I've said you before, that token is something which shouldn't be open to everyone, but this is a public file. So what we are going to do is go to the bot.js file, and here you can see the token somewhere. Where is it? I'm finding it. Yeah, this is our token. By the way, the token is actually visible to you, but I'm going to regenerate the token as soon as the video is uploaded, and don't try to log into it, alright? So we are going to just remove this entire token now, and I'm going to press Ctrl X, alright? And then go to the secret section that you can see here and keep the key. First, we're going to paste the value, that is the token that I have, and then we have to give the key for it. So I'm going to put it as token, all caps, alright? So yeah, we have added the secret, and we'll just go to the bot.js again, and we'll just delete these, whatever we had before inside the brackets. So now we have to type in process dot env dot token, all caps, alright? Yeah. So yeah, we have hidden the token that we have, but alternatively, if you have a paid version of Replit, you can make this file private, alright? The next thing we are going to do is actually stop this code that we have. Okay, I'm going to stop it now, alright? So now I'll be telling you how to host your bot 24/7 free of cost, okay? So one thing that we can do to keep our bot online is to download it into our computer and keep it on. So until and unless the computer is turned off, then it will turn off. But when it is on, then it will be on. But in the night times, most of us won't keep it on. Even I won't keep my PC on. So, but I want it to be 24/7. Now let's see how we can host it 24/7, alright? So first up, let's just create a file. Click on the add file over here, and we're going to type in server.js, alright? Okay, and click on enter button right there. Okay, so we have created the file right there. So yeah, to get the code for the server.js file, as you can see here, you have to join my Discord server. I will leave the link in the description, so head out there. It's legit promotion, alright? And then you can see this code right there in the commands channel, and I'll be pinning it. So it's in the pinned messages. So the first message, as you can see here, head up to the message and copy this message. Copy this entire code, alright? And then go to the server.js file that we have created and paste it there, okay? So now as we have pasted the code right there, and then next you have to go to bot.js file, and we should write in the first line over here, const, and then a space, and then we have to type keep alive. Make sure that the A is capital, alright? So now it has to be equal to require, and in the bracket put the double colons, and then dot slash server dot js. Alright, so we have to type this. So now just scroll down in the bot.js file itself, and we have to put our token here, right? And then here click on enter, and here we have to press keep small k, keep alive, and then open the bracket and just leave it like this, alright? So to host the bot 24/7, we're gonna use something known as Uptime Robot. So head up to uptimerobot.com, and if you are new to it, just log in, and you have to verify your email address, and I'm gonna log in now. So after logging in, it will appear somewhat like this, and this is your dashboard actually, okay? So click on this add new monitor, and the monitor type should be HTTPS, alright? Okay, and then friendly name, I'm gonna keep it as chatbot, Okay. And now we have to give the IP or the URL for this. So we should go back to our repl.id file and just click on run, as we have put the code, and it will also install some packages, and then we'll be able to get the IP or the URL of the code. Okay, let's just wait. So after that, you should be able to see something like this, that your bot is alive. And this is our code that we should copy here. And if your code is correct, then it should make sure that it should be like this, your bot is alive. Okay, and then just copy this entire link and put it right here. Okay, so we have put it, and the monitoring interval is for every 5 minutes. Let it be like that, and click on the create monitor. Yes. So yeah, our monitor has been created. Click on close now. So yeah, and we're done, and our bot is working 24/7. All right, and then now we have to do something. One more step is left. What is that? We have to add some more cool features. It doesn't do much, just ping pong, right? If we have to do something more, some cool commands. So you can explore the stuff that you have here, and also if you want to know more commands and more functions of this, I will leave the very good video of each and every explanation of this part. And if you want to see that, just leave a like down below for this video, and if I get 500 likes for this video, I'll make all the cool commands that we have in the scratch for Discord. They're really good. So if you were stuck anywhere or if you have any doubt, don't at all hesitate to ask in the comments, or you can join my Discord server and you can DM me too. Okay guys, you have made your bot completely working bot, and you might be happy. So even I'm happy to teach you, and that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to drop a like if you like this video.